There are 4 small holes around it, which are square fixing holes. These 2 on the reverse side are ultrasonic sensors. This is the network configuration button. Here is the power connection cable. Turn on the Wi-Fi, and it needs to be at your point for Tuya WiFi, then turn on the Bluetooth. Tap the Add device in the upper right corner. Long press the network configuration key until the device shows up. Find devices. Device addition completed. Here you can set the height of the maximum liquid level and the installation height of the device. You can set the maximum and minimum liquid level alarms and also set the alarm switch. The device can be fixed above the bucket with 4 screws in this way. Plug in the power. Then set the height of the bucket in the app. For example, if the measured height of the bucket is 0.37 meters this time, set the height to 0.37 meters in the app. Then, when setting the liquid level height, you need to note that the liquid level height must be lower than the bucket height. Now, the water level displayed in the app is 0.07 meters. Let's measure it. Both the measured value and the one displayed on the app are 0.07 meters. Then start adding water. The water level in the bucket starts to rise, and the display on the app has also changed from 0.07 meters to 0.08 meters. Now, the water level displayed on the app is 0.11 meters. Now, the final water level on the app is 0.12 meters. Let's start the actual measurement. The measured height is also 0.12 meters.